What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing Ghost in the Graveyard. I brought that crates part I told you guys about on my
YouTube channel.
on my
recording.
Start recording.
We'll scratch that off, but yeah.
Okay, you have to go when
And also he's
recording. Alright, okay guys, I'm gonna start
also
recording.
Everyone
so
get
that
up. Makes it 2.
Okay, start recording.
I'm also recording, by the
come on.
way.
When you guys say go, I go high.
We have to go quick.
Purple,
Okay,
purple,
come back
purple,
here.
purple.
Come back
Are you
here.
also a YouTuber?
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
Yeah, same. I'm also recording right now.
Alright, wait.
My name
Gonna make a fort.
After we play Ghost in the Graveyard. After we play Ghost in the Graveyard, can you?
I'm gonna
Today, we're gonna be playing Ghost in the Graveyard.
2,
Yep.
3.
Cause Ghost in the Graveyard is the best mini game, guys. So subscribe to Purple and to me. I'm not looking, I'm just here. Which one?
Hey!
No, Jack, you're cheating. Black, you're cheating. I went inside.
Oh, he's ready.
He's ready, guys.
Stop cheating.
Okay, guys, I didn't hear him, but I think he might be in city or mountains.
He said
I
go.
meant
No,
or.
he said go. He sounds so close. He's inside the. He's under. Wait,
there.
you guys check here. I have an idea of where it can be.
Where could he be?
I'm going in. I'm going in short.
He might be in city or canyons. It's a hard decision. I wish I was streaming right now.
Wait, what if Black finds him? If Black finds him, then he needs someone else to come to him because he doesn't have a mic, does he?
I have a mic. I just have push to talk on. Marco.
Guys, he sounded so close.
Marco.
He sounded close.
Wait a minute. It might be in the top floor.
Marco.
Hi, live.
Marco. I mean Lava Monkey.
It's just me. I'm not a tagger. I'm not close.
Lava Monkey, say Polo.
I don't know why I'm saying
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah?
Yeah, I can.
Oh, he's maybe canyons, maybe canyons.
He sounded like he was like.
I'll check here first. Okay, canyons. He might be in canyons. He might be in canyons. He might be.
Have to get out, canyon.
He might be in one of those barrels. He might be in one of those barrels.
You guys, I'm coming
He might be.
Not here. Let's green. Guys, where are you? The lava one. I think I know where him is. Him in OG Caves. Oh, hi.
Oh yeah, OG Caves.
Is he not there? Yes. Yeah, him in OG Caves. Him in OG Caves. He's
No,
in
this
OG
one.
Caves.
This one first.
Yeah,
Yeah, this one.
You're in the place.
He's not in case. I don't know.
You have to check every part. He could be in different parts of caves. He could be in caves, like in these things. Like we do not know where he is. And he won't say Marco.
I check in OG Caves or I come back. Where are you guys?
I'm in caves.
What do you mean?
Lava Monkey, do you have a mic? Because if you do,
Guys.
yeah.
I think I know where we could be.
Where?
He could be at the beach.
Oh yeah, beach.
The beach. Oh,
I can't even find the
Let's
exit.
check the beach.
Check beach, everybody. Check.
Pretty smart idea.
Yeah, that's definitely the side of
Head
beach.
to the beach. I'm checking the beach. I mean,
Quick!
I think.
Wait, he might be.
I know what beach is. Beach is the last black.
He's not in here. Not in here.
I'm not beach. I'm right.
What if I just troll them?
Come on, guys. Go beach. With that beach, Martin says.
I'm a good brancher, so I don't think he will actually get to me.
Guys. You are so. I'm on beach. I'm right.
How can you not get up
You
here?
are so goddamn right.
What?
Ghost in the graveyard!
Ghost in the graveyard.
Where was he?
Oh, I wasn't Canyon's.
I had pushed the dog on the entire time.
I told you guys he was in Canyon. Yeah, why does nobody listen?
Bro, you're the one who said he was in beach. Come on, get
I didn't say he was in beach. I said he was in Canyons first.
Yeah, well, who said he was in beach, huh?
Not me. It was a kid.
Yeah.
Like younger.
Oh, me too.
A younger kid.
Everyone, let's tag everyone. Get tagged. Everyone, you need to get tagged first.
Why?
I don't need to get
There's
tagged.
only those two.
Why do we need to get tagged?
You guys, I'll be right back. I
So
gotta
we
go
need to start a new round.
Why?
No.
There are multiple
No,
rounds.
that's not how it works.
That's not how it
That's not
works.
how it works.
There are multiple
No,
rounds.
that's not. Now we start. No, we need to. I didn't mean we need to.
Guys, I'll be right back. I gotta go
Back.
watch my goldfish. 1 sec. Alright, guys, I'm back.
Okay, we need to restart.
My goldfish.
So,
Why did you even? Why does it? I've never heard of a rule that you're supposed to tag everybody after one round.
tag me.
Don't tag me, don't tag me. Don't tag me.
Hey,
That go high.
a green.
That go high. Yeah, you gotta go high. You gotta
Purple.
go high.
What's your YouTube
Yeah.
channel?
I do. It's called Artie Scrap. Can you subscribe? What hurts?
Yeah, I can subscribe.
For that.
I mean, I'm recording too, and I'm gonna make a little bit of a short out of this video, and then yeah.
don't know what you mean.
I like
by
making
that.
shorts now.
I'm not ready.
Like hurts. I am 60 hertz.
Everybody, don't look! Don't look! Don't look! Or else I'm gonna splash with
I'll
balloons.
try that when
I don't know. I haven't really checked.
Wait, so what's your YouTube channel name? Is this just your name? Is it your name?
Everyone looks out
Is your name?
on walls. Are you good time on? Yeah, it's my name.
Okay, beer.
Don't worry.
Beer
Okay, you
up.
might.
Even though I'm recording too, I might have to
Just
do
let him
it,
go.
okay,
Don't
boys?
tag him. Just go high.
I am.
Listen. Look, wait. Is the lava monkey hidden? Is the lava monkey hidden?
Wait, do you have 432 subscribers? Do you have 432 subscribers?
No, he's
Yeah,
going
that's
to
me.
hide.
Okay,
He's
but
gonna hide.
I'm
He's
subscribing.
hiding.
Wait, can you shout out Mersey?
Are you sure?
Nah, this goes up.
Can you shout out my
will.
channel?
You wait. What's your YouTube channel? What's your?
It's
is that
my
your
name.
YouTube channel?
But add
Guys, shout out
Add
to
to-
JKLVR.
yeah,
Get up to him.
885, 885.
Definitely in beach.
885. Shout out to JKLVR 885.
Let's
Go up to
go.
him.
In the graveyard, ghost in the graveyard.
That was quick.
How quick? I didn't even listen. That's how quick it was. Oh shit!
Holy shit.
No, did you miss it?
I got it. I went backwards, bro. I went backwards up. I went backwards. That's crazy. Oh shit!
Back. Come on. Well, that's actually smart.
Ah! No! No! No, it fell. Hyper
I got one.
trolley press.
Go up, double.
They do not see me. They do not see me.
Oh my god! Hurry up, hurry up! Brunch! Yes!
I have 2 compilations
Bro,
of branching on my
you
channel.
can't
I'm not
tag us
even
here.
kidding.
You can't tag us here.
I have 2 videos about branching. I'm basically just a brancher.
Go away. I'm out.
Bro,
Go hide. Go hide.
Purple, you wanna know a fact?
Go hide.
Get out.
You wanna know a
Get
fact,
out,
Purple?
Get out the treehouse. Where? He's tagging us for need report him.
Nah, man. Don't report me. Don't think I done it. Why
No,
don't
you
you tell me?
don't. No, you don't, mate.
I'm actually good at branching. I have 2 videos with me branching.
He was tagging everything.
Yeah, I can't.
Was it Scum VR or was that you? That was
I
you
didn't
tagging.
They do not know.
I didn't mean to talk to
Why
you.
were you tag? Fine, just tag JKL. Come here. And, JKL, come
No,
here.
do not report anybody here. Friendly
Fine, we
or
won't. As long as you don't agree, JKL, just let me tag you.
Come here! Imagine you missed me.
You're not baby Grinch, son.
Everybody
You're a Grinch.
I'm in.
Watch this! Watch this!
Okay.
The dedication of skilling!
No peeking. I fell.
I just...
Hey, Black, how do you run?
Yo, purple. You wanna know something?
Yeah.
I have 2 branching videos on my channel.
Go watch him,
What
guys. Go
hurts are
watch
you
him.
on? What hurts are you on?
60.
I think
Or
I'm on probably
50.
like 60.
How do you run? How do you run? Like that?
Black, get back here.
Wait.
No, I missed over count.
Yeah, how do you even do that?
I do this. Running is pretty easy.
Get back here now.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah,
Are you ready?
Here, he's a beach, he's a mountains, mountains.
I'm not in I'm not in He's in city. He's
No,
in
he's a mountain. Oh yeah, he's a city. Oh, I get it. Or basement.
Can you keep talking? Okay. Guys, he's like at the entrance of city. You can sacrifice.
He's not at the entrance, guys.
Wait, what?
Michael!
Hello. Everyone go to
Wait. That's this one. Guys, I know where he is. Michael! I meant go to the graveyard. I saw the particles.
Oh,
I saw the particles. I'm not even kidding. I saw the particles, actually.
I suck at this game. I couldn't even get out of the map. Wait, what? I couldn't even get to...
Where is he?
I suck at the game so bad.
I'm not in treehouse.
We said ghost in the graveyard.
I said go to the graveyard. Where are you?
Hurry up, man.
Yeah, he said ghost
Hurry
in
up.
the graveyard. Finally saw a particle.
Finally.
I said go to the graveyard.
I did as
Guys,
well.
no. I can see him. Guys, I can
What
see
if he has me muted?
Where is he? Oh, he's...
Hello.
He's in the graveyard.
Oh, why were you taking so long? I've waited a whole century.
Yes, no tagging, yes, no tagging. Everyone in the corner. Everyone in the corner.
Oh, why are you so?
No. We go hide.
Go hide.
Why did you? Bro, why did you take so long? I said go to the graveyard 10 times.
know you. Yes. Ready? No, that's...
You ready? You're already ready.
We're ready!
Okay.
Where's your attack?
I know where they are, so... I'm gonna wait for others to find it.
They're in canyons. What? They're in canyons. They're in canyons.
Are they? Oh yeah, the rule is you two have to hide together.
Are they actually? Let me check.
You're only allowed to start chasing us when... Yeah, but we haven't even seen it, so I'm gonna go check somewhere else. Can you keep on talking?
Wait.
Check on here.
Oh, wait, I know where they are. I just heard them cough.
They got here on the floor?
Who's coughing, man? I can...
It's my bro. Can I not cough, please? Come here!
What?
I'm gonna let you off.
Bro, we tagged all of them.
Look, how are you fast?
the ring.
You have a hood.
Purple, you
Hold on. Let me see. Hold on. Hey, Green. Let me see your animals for a moment. Hey, Green. Let me see your animals.
Like I'm actually purple. When you, bro, I was the one coughing. Like I'm not even kidding. I had to cough really bad.
Yeah. No tagging us. No tagging us.
If you tag us, you're gay. Bro, if you tag us, you're the worst person in the world.
Yeah, get away.
That scared me.
Get away from us.
Hide! You stupid
You're supposed to
nice
hide,
person.
man.
Bro, if you don't go hide, we're gonna kill you.
Go and hide, man.
Yeah, he doesn't have a
Go
mic.
and hide.
He doesn't have a
Guys,
mic
hurry up
though.
and get in here before he tags you. If you don't get here in the next 10 seconds, listen, if they don't get here in the next 10 seconds, tag them all. 10.
Made it! Bitch!
8, 7, 6, 5,
Oh!
4. We're good. Go hide. No peeking.
Go hide or else I will kill your father.
You think you're slick trying to tag us from below?
Green is on like
You think you're slick trying to tag us from
72
below?
hertz.
Ugh.
Go hide.
Hey Green, you're on 72 hertz.
He's gonna tag us from below.
No, he can't.
Green.
He's actually... Bro, if you... Should I get tagged for him? Should I get tagged for him?
Scum! Go hide!
Go hide.
Go hide!
Wait, guys, he's mewing.
Hey,
Wait a
Green.
minute, he's mewing though.
Hey Green.
Go
you're on, like,
and
60 hertz.
He's mewing.
Go and hide!
Bro, let him mew. He's mewing.
Alright, Black, come up here. He's going to hide. Black, come
Go
up here,
hide.
guys. He's going to hide.
Hey Green, hide away.
Bang!
Go hide!
Where the hell is Green?
Why me? I think he's trying to tag me. Hide away from me. Or you. Or you.
What, Green? How do you run like that?
Guys, let's have a
I'm
deep
dying for
conversation.
you.
Hurt people,
I'm
hurt
dying
people.
for you. And I can't let you
you.
go. Hide
Shut
away from me.
Ah,
Hide away from me.
Either like this.
Shut up!
Either like this. Or like
Yep.
this.
That's it.
Then
Yeah,
live
my feet are-
forever
he can't
and
tell
whether
us.
you like it or
He
not.
can't tell us when
Had
we
the
can come
chance
out.
to be a
So
better
wait,
naughty boy in
20
the
more
past.
seconds.
It's the
It's
rules
coming.
of black and
In
white.
20
There's no
seconds,
use
we're
in
gonna
trying
do
to
it.
fight it.
Am I
The
doing it?
running for the life
7,
until we
6,
kill
yeah.
him.
I need to do
Hell
this.
is forever and it's meant to suck a lot.
10.
So give up.
That's
You're
when
gonna
you like
dead
gotta
because you
go.
don't
6.
try.
like,
Long as I got
four,
your attention,
three,
that's
three,
your party.
one
Then
more
you
second.
not be made.
4, 3,
That
2, 1, go for it.
determination.
Okay, someone go to beach.
Extermination.
No, I don't think he went to beach. We can check beach all together last.
No, he didn't go to the beach. No, do you watch
I'll
Aspen
just check in
Hotel?
forest. I'll check in forest.
Purple,
You're on like 72 hertz.
purple.
You know, Black. Us two check forest.
Because I can never go. Wait, what is that? I can't go just like you can.
Can you shut the door, please, Dad? Thank you.
Okay, someone go into basement.
Bro, how did you know what was happening to me right now, bro? My sister came in.
Come here. Go up there. Go up there.
Do you watch
We
Aspen
gotta check up
Hotel?
here, cause he. Oh, he.
Who's in the graveyard?
What did I tell you?
Yeah.
I mean,
Purple.
It's such a shame.
Yeah, no. Such a shame that he
Yeah.
said goes to the
couldn't have been us.
graveyard.
I mean, we'll gladly not get caught and keep on playing the game.
Yeah, he's coming. He's coming. He made it. He's taking it. Yo, purple.
Cheat.
Come up, purple. Come up. Salmon! Get up here! He's coming! Yo, purple. I have a question, purple.
Bro, he went that way.
Purple,
He went that way.
I have a question, purple.
He went.
He's over there! He's over there!
Eat my balls.
You know what? You two hide together, and you can say when you're ready.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Yo, purple.
Yeah. Okay. Now. Oh yeah. Tan still hasn't hasn't came here, or Salmon hasn't.
Yeah.
So you still gotta get him. Never mind. Go hide, guys.
Oh, purple,
Hide away,
purple,
hide
purple.
away
I swear to
from
God,
me.
purple. I have a question.
I'm gonna change it on 72 hertz.
Do you know Aspen Hotel?
Yes.
Nah.
What?
Hey Santa, you're legit
Yes.
super fast.
Let's go!
Like,
Oh shit!
like but Santa is like super fast.
Oh shit!
Yeah, he's like super fast. He's like
I have like every
Can we go for
Aspen
you?
Hotel song on my
Can we go for you
Spotify.
now?
ready.
Bro,
Go.
purple. I have every song from Aspen Hotel on my Spotify.
Go here. They're like camping on Teddy.
They're city. I know where it is. It could be where he was
No,
last time.
Don't say anything. I'm doing my wristband straps.
Marco.
Did you guys find him?
No, not yet.
You see Marco?
Have you seen him?
No. I would have shouted my lungs. Marco.
Oh, guys, I know.
Can you
Guys,
keep
I
on
know where
talking?
they are.
Can you guys keep on talking? You guys are cheating. You guys left before we called you. You guys were cheating.
You do not. Ah!
You
Ah!
can't see us. You can't just.
No, I
You
didn't
can't
see
just
you.
wait.
We didn't see you. I didn't see you.
Cappers, I'm reporting you now. Fuck you. And by the way,
Me, so
you and the other dude actually left before we said it.
Him? No. You know, I'll be on with him. You guys go to. We won't tag you. Just make sure you go around.
Hey, Sam, hey,
Yeah,
can you
take
show me
this
how
before I
fast
go.
you can run? Santa, can you show me how fast you can run?
What?
Can you show me how fast you can run from here?
I'm gonna sing one of my shit. It starts with
Yep, 72 hertz there. You're on 72 hertz.
That's your foot in the door. One simple
I can tell if
sorry.
you're on something or not. You're on
Spoken
72
straight from the
hertz.
core. The path to
I'm on
forgiveness
60
is a
hertz.
twisted hill
The
of
best-
hearts.
yeah, take it on
But
72.
sorry is
Take it on
where
72.
it starts.
Look, on 72 hertz, you can still climb on slippery
could
wood, but it's
forget
just a bit harder.
After big like me,
On 60 hertz, you can still run.
I don't deserve your
I know where they
honesty.
I know where they are. Don't take the risk. They're right. No.
Can we just kill him?
They're right inside there. No.
Yeah, you go
I
then.
know exactly where
You
they
go
are.
then.
Yo, Black,
You said
know
it.
where we
You
were.
said it. You said
know
it. You have to go. Rock paper scissors. Rock paper scissors.
No. We didn't. No. You remember the place we were?
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah, that's where they
Yeah, I
are
know.
right now.
Can we just? He's going.
No.
kill him.
They're right where the cloud entrance.
But okay, rock paper scissors.
I'm the slowest here, so I can't go. I'm the slowest.
Yeah, but
You guys
definitely
are
there.
faster than me. You guys are faster than me. I'm slow. I'm slow.
W, bro.
Good in graveyard.
Get on the pizza.
You guys knew where we are. You didn't say a word. No.
You can't put him on montage, boys. Can't we just kill him? Shoot him and spill his blood. That's an option you could choose. Works for us.
He's in.
But who hasn't been in his shoes? It starts with sorry. They don't even say one simple sorry. I'm so sorry. And the journey's all the way.
Go hide.
It'll take time to cover my lost soul.
Go hide.
existed,
Oi!
but sorry is where it began.
Okay, so you're
It's
on
the
72, I'm on 60.
I'm on like 60 hertz. I can like check. I could check.
I use side quests. For like
I'm
my
quest
hurts and
2.
stuff.
Yeah, everybody go in the
No,
corner.
I use the app called SideQuest. I use the app called SideQuest, so I can change my hurts.
You ready? No!
I don't
Then-
know like
then
where they
go
are.
faster.
I would know where they are probably.
Yeah, because me. I don't know. And I already know where your voice is coming from.
Yeah, same.
You ready?
No, wait.
Two.
It's boring.
Hey Green, do you use SideQuest? Hey Green, do you SideQuest? We're hiding in different areas. We're hiding in different
Or do you
areas.
Steam? Yeah, that's my
So one round you have
What
to
do you
find one of those.
use
And
SideQuest
the
or
other round you have
Steam?
to find the other, okay? Do you SideQuest on
Please.
Steam?
Yes.
What did you say?
No, I'm not using Steam.
SideQuest then? Are you using SideQuest?
Yes.
There's this broken thing where
Can you like throw it really hard? Can you like
Yeah.
throw it hard?
it's just that.
Okay.
That's like,
Are you guys ready?
okay, we're ready.
One of them is in OG Caves.
I know where they are.
They're both in city. They're both in city.
You know where the hiding spot is? There.
Goes to the graveyard.
Oh shit!
Bro, just came out of nowhere.
I'm not hiding there. I'm hiding somewhere else.
Yeah, but we found other guy.
This guy cheated. He cheated.
The other guy was trusting Stump.
He's
Hey!
cheating. He didn't find us.
Don't tag us.
Come find me.
You scrumptious piece.
No,
You conscious piece of garbage. Get out of here.
Get out of here. Bro, if you tag us, you're the gayest person.
Oh, I'm out.
Go, hide. Hide.
Come on, come find me.
Hide. You can't hide you can't hide in Stump. What are you doing?
I'm already hidden.
Go hide.
Hidden. I'm hidden.
Dude, this piece of garbage is still here.
Cheating. Wait, is everyone who's not on?
You're a piece of garbage. Now go to the trash can.
Wait,
Yo, you guys, your other lava monkey is still by
Garbage is
is
still here.
camping treehouse.
Okay.
Dude, if you don't go right now, we're gonna report you.
Okay, we're ready.
They're ready. They're
Me
ready.
and PPPV are. Me and PPPV. I know who you're looking for.
Yeah, we don't care about the other lava monkey. Just go.
Yeah, okay.
And he's just griefing.
No, the other lava monkey's gonna tag us.
I know where they are. Don't go. I know.
Marco,
Marco Polo.
go to the graveyard. Bro, get out the way.
You guys didn't see us.
Yeah?
I you.
We didn't.
Okay.
Remember, PPPV has no cosmetics. I have plunger hat and the face lighting.
Yes.
Yeah, but you're another guy.
Yeah, well, he needs to hide where we are. So,
Yeah.
that's it.
Bro.
What the hell?
Nah, he's griefing. Bro, I got you on video, bro.
No, go report him. He left. Go report him.
I got him on video. Don't worry. I got him on video. I got him on video.
Monkey.
Toxicity. I just did it.
I got him on video, bro. Don't worry. I got it on video. I have it on video.
You want to be with me? You want to be with me?
Nah.
And from now
You have to
on,
play
all
only
the
one person.
hiders have to hide, or seekers/hiders have to hide together.
Yeah, but
Bro,
the other guy
that
griefed
scum
and I
person
just
tagged us. I'm not even kidding.
Yeah,
I
he
just
was
reported
griefing
him.
at Stump. He was griefing
And
at
I have
Stump.
it, and me and Pro will probably
Wait.
have it on video, but I have
And
more.
I got
But I have the
tagged,
most
and I got
evidence.
tagged.
No,
I'm gonna cut those bits out.
okay.
I'm gonna cut some of those bits out. I'm gonna cut some of those bits out.
I don't know how to edit.
Everyone come back to Stump.
It is everybody. We're only three people.
And where I
He was
Purple,
griefing. Okay,
purple,
everyone look at
purple,
me. I'll be
purple,
dancing.
purple.
I'll be dancing.
What is your favorite Half
I
Minute Tell
want to
song?
be in old caves.
I think it's the it's gonna be shut. We're talking. Okay, it's probably gonna be the dearly beloved for your entertainment. It's my pleasure to introduce you.
Hell, so is survival. DWC killer. Alistair. Insane. Mine is whatever it takes. Mine is whatever it
Yeah, that
takes.
one.
Like I know every song all just because of my Spotify. My Spotify has like everyone. Every song.
Guys, I glitched the game. The balloon ain't on my hand.
How did you?
The balloon ain't on my hand.
He's in city. He's in city. He's in city. He's in city.
No, shh. Remember, no hiding in Stump.
Yep. Guys, please come with me. Check like every single part. You might be in competitive cars.
Whoa,
What is that?
I heard a split. I had a...
There's somebody joined.
Here's OT.
OT, who is he?
Wait, listen, OT, we're playing Ghost in the Graveyard. Please do
Don't
not
tag
kill
us. Don't tag us. Don't tag us if you find us.
Guys, he's not speaking, guys. He's not speaking.
Oh, it's probably the same guy.
Who is OT?
Guys, there's someone. Wait. Guys, it's the same guy as before. It's just disguised. Same guy as before.
Is it scum? Is it scum?
I forgot what his... Yeah, it is. Because
Oh
he's not
no!
speaking.
He was the one who griefed us.
Yeah. Wait, what if he's just spam reporting all of us right now, wherever he is?
No, I bet he changed his username.
Yeah, he changed.
No, he has Santa hat and all that stuff.
Hey,
Lava monkey, hello.
We can hear where you are. Whoever's on, can you speak for a bit so we can like kind of hear you? Like,
Yes,
I thought I saw you multiple times, but it was either just the decoration lights or the
Quiet!
things.
Say something. Canyons.
No. Shh. Can you keep on talking?
Hey, don't tag us. Don't
No,
tag
don't
us.
tag us. We're playing Ghost in the
Don't tag
Graveyard.
us. We're playing Ghost in the Graveyard.
Okay?
Don't tag us. Whatever you do, okay?
Do
And
you have
also
a
no
mic? Do
camping.
you have a mic? Do you have a mic?
Definitely know where he is.
Can you say something if you have a mic? Oh, good. It's not the same guy. We're just playing Ghost in the Graveyard for a bit.
Yeah, but how do we know? Like he
has a
Yeah.
mic.
I know.
He has a mic.
I know that.
Oh, maybe he just put in the code Santa because he wants something from Santa.
Yeah, but I know that though. But what if it? Like I know that you can change to not
No.
have a mic.
No. Listen, the other guy wasn't not just talking. He had a straight mouth. That means you don't have like a mic or you
Yeah.
didn't give permission to speak.
Yeah, you can
So
turn that.
it's a completely different guy.
No,
Okay,
you
we
can't.
understood the
You
rules of the
can't
game.
change it, by the way,
It
or
was
else
the
I would
game.
have been. Or else my mouth would have been changed because I have push to
It's
talk.
not the same guy, man.
It's not
No,
the
it's
same
not
one
the
because
same
I put the talk on,
guy.
and you guys would see the straight face if I did this.
Wait a minute.
Where is this guy? I can hear him, but where?
Say something again.
Yeah, say something. He opened.
Caves. Could be. Caves. Yes, caves.
Can you say something again?
Caves.
Say something again.
Say something.
I don't think there's anyone in basement, so.
Yeah,
Go to the graveyard! I knew it!
Ow.
I told you guys he was in caves.
Hello.
Yes! I made it!
Ain't no way! Ain't no way I just fell for that.
Guys, I told you he was in caves. When I heard it the third time, I knew it was in caves.
I swear by
Bro, you weren't even hiding in the first place. Wait a minute. Ulti, you weren't even hiding in the first place.
Yeah, because he joined.
You weren't even hiding in the first place.
No! Yes, sir. Yeah, he wasn't even hiding in the first place.
Okay, guys, can I pick the spot where we hide this time?
Is this guy snake tagging? Because I don't know.
Dang, I have to hide from these many, bro?
Smart place. I know an extremely smart place. Guys, just follow me, okay? Follow me.
Yeah, guys, if I somehow survive this, I'm probably gonna be the best one.
Or we're just never gonna win.
Hey, something. You don't have to flick tag, right? I'm not trying to. There's a specific.
Are you guys ready?
Wait, is the flick tag still here? Yeah.
Wait, guys, I need you to follow me. This might take a while, but I need you to follow me, okay?
Yeah, where we're going exactly? Where are we going, Santa?
Here. Can you guys see me? Look, I'm jumping up and down.
Yep, I know where he is. I definitely know.
Okay. Nice. Okay. Nice. Now come over here. Follow me, guys. Follow me. You can let go.
But what happened to my game sound?
Jump. Okay, guys. We're gonna go up there.
Guys, I can't hear game sound anymore. I don't know what happened.
We're not ready.
Okay. We've almost made it up to the place. Okay. This may be a bit hard to get up to this, or it might just take a while. Okay, give us like another 10 seconds to figure it out. Okay, we're hidden.
I know where you guys are.
Where are we then?
Clouds. Because according to my calculations, it's either mountains or clouds. Say something again. Say something.
Stop moving! He can hear you!
I know where you guys are. By the way, no capping entrances. I know where you guys are.
You have to get to us though.
I don't know how to use the glide. Oh, go to the graveyard! Go to the graveyard! Yes!
Let me just do something. I'm coming. Where's
Bro, I'm about to get beat. So many. By the way, one monkey was a little bit out of the hole, and then I saw him.
That was me!
Yes! I made it! You guys can tag one person, bro.
Okay, new round.
Well, you've won anyway, so we'd just be going over and over.
What hearts are you on?
Go hide.
We did.
Go hide.
Did a new round.
Bro, it's honestly hilarious. It's honestly hilarious that you guys can tag one person.
Dog.
Yeah, but guys.
You guys can tag one singular person. That's crazy.
Okay. You almost hidden. You almost hidden.
No.
Also, by the way, do you guys want to know how I knew where you guys were?
Yeah, because I stuck my hand out on accident.
No,
while we were trying to
not
move
that.
us.
When I went up the clouds, for a split second, it showed exactly where you guys were. I'm not even kidding.
Oh, why?
And then I decided,
Puppety backhand. Can we come for you?
Oh no.
Hasten City.
Okay, I'm hitting now. Let's go!
Hasten City!
He's in mountains. Let's go. Wait a minute.
He's in mountains or
Say
city.
something real quick. Say something real quick. He's in mountains. He's in mountains.
Hello?
Keep on talking. Say the longest sentence you can imagine.
Like, chicken.
Guys, if we see him, can I say it?
Yeah. You have to find him though, and not us.
Wait, don't say anything. Just point at him and then say Artie Scrag. Say Artie Scrag, and then I'll say it, and then you can go for us, because I will really say it.
Okay.
Well, I don't see him here.
You might be
I
hiding.
think I heard him somewhere else earlier, but first
Yo, say something!
Ghost in the graveyard? No, no, sorry, no.
Wait, follow red. He might know.
You can only come for us after I see the word. But I
Or
haven't seen
here.
it, I'm just saying now. Go to the graveyard!
Woo! Please! Oh, guys, you're gonna make it!
No!
Guys,
No!
I made it! Oh! Where was he, by the way?
I touched you! At least let me make it to the stairway.
Bro, I saw him coming, bro. I wanted to be sneaky, and I wanted to get out from the window. But then I suddenly he was just there by the window, and I got scared, and then I still did it. Artie, scrap! Quick! Yes! The two YouTubers, aka the two people recording.
I got the best player here. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Bro, you do not want to know. Him. I wanted to go out the window from city. He was right there. And I ran for my life.
So they couldn't get me. And when I knew they weren't coming, I went straight back down.
Bro, he was straight coming for me. I'm not even kidding.
Oh my god, I'm sweaty.
I'm more sweatier than you.
Me go?
Like, bro, this video could be like so long. I might have to be streaming now.
I honestly thought I was gonna get.
Bro, my shorts are so popular. My shorts become popular than my YouTube videos.
Can we go?
No.
Hold on, I'm gonna start streaming. Or where are you going?
Oh, just branch in a tree. That's all.
Wait, come here. I'm gonna start streaming, bro.
Can we come for you now?
Yep.
Good. I know where you are.
I don't think they're there.
Nah, I don't think they're there. Artie, come here!
Goes in the graveyard.
Yeah, I saw him. Where you were where you were seeing.
Guys, you can come out now.
Hold on, I'm
You
gonna
can come
start
out of
live
canyons
streaming.
Guys, were you actually in canyons?
Yeah, they were. They were.
I didn't
I
see.
saw them. They were. They actually were. They were in
Stop all
canyons.
this.
They were up.
Stop
They
all
were
the
up the
string.
thing there, like in the corner.
Stop all the string.
Nah, don't do it, bruv.
I want
I
a
think
new
I might
one.
have pulled them all accidentally
Can I have a new
too.
one? Can I have a new one?
Yeah. I want a new one.
Ah.
Yeah, we can. Go hide. Go hide. I'm gonna start screaming. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another live stream. Today I'm playing Ghost in the Graveyard with another YouTuber, RT Scrag. Say hi.
Hello.
So yeah. Why didn't I just do that in the intro of my video? That would be way better, but I don't care. Bro, my shorts are becoming more popular than my actual YouTube videos. Like, bro, my short has 72 views. Meanwhile, my most popular video has only 8 views.
Can we go for you now?
Yo, somebody joined. Oh, they're playing Ghost in the Graveyard. Don't tag us. Don't tag us. Don't tag us.
Wait, let me check.
They're playing Ghost in the Graveyard.
Can we come find you
59.
now? I think I'm gonna come for you now.
Yeah, we can come for them. Bro, help me. I can't hear any game sounds. They're in canyons. Same spot. Never mind, they're not in the same spot. They were like over here.
I heard something.
I heard them. Can I say it then?
Hey bro, turn around real quick. Go to the graveyard. I'm sorry.
Run! Run!
I'll stop screaming. I will.
No! Yes! Oh my god! The safest person! Don't tag me.
Hey, I know somewhere. Guys, I know somewhere. Can you
Don't tag
follow
me. Don't tag me. Bro, how did I not see you guys?
Can you guys tag him? He said tag him.
Like, oh.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
Like I actually didn't know. I literally checked that spot and I saw nothing.
You said tag me. You literally just said tag me.
Bro, in that spot where they were, bro, I saw nothing.
Can you just let us tag you? To the round can end.
He fell. Oh, hi. I'm not on top of here, okay? I'm not here. I'm not here.
You just wait there and wait for him to jump
I'm not
down
here.
while I go pinch gun up to him.
I can just jump this way if you want me to.
You stay there and wait for him to jump down.
Yeah, bye.
And I'll make him jump down.
Oh shit, I heard you. Bro,
Yes.
I can't hear anything.
No, it's good.
Like, I don't hear any game sound. I'm gonna go hide.
How do you even? Oh, we are hiding.
No looking on my stream or else you're banned.
Ah. Which hand are you doing it on? Hey guys, can I have a new one? It's getting pretty boring.
I'm ready.
No, you're just camping it. Watch.
I'm not. I'm actually ready. Ready.
If you're camping,
No,
tag us.
I'm not camping entrance. I
guys,
just said it
I
early.
think I know where he is, but I'm not checking it.
A, B, C, D. Where the hell did my ring go?
Guys in the graveyard.
I accidentally peeked. I wanted to see if you guys were coming. Because I can't hear anything. Yes!
Guys, I'm gonna come off. Wait, let me check my headset actually.
Where's the other one?
Yeah, I'm
He's in there. It's a gazebo. Damn.
Don't mess with this guy. This
All the
sounds
fair.
like a night.
Tag lag. I can't tag him. Oh, he left. He left. This guy
So
left.
how do you run OT? How do you run OT? Like this?
Bro,
I have
I'm
60
stressful.
hertz. I have
bro, I have to
60
stop
hertz.
recording, bro. This was like a minute.
What hertz are you on?
Bye.